How to add your shipping address on Aliexpress website. Now in order to add your shipping address in Aliexpress, just simply open your browser and open the website of aliexpress.com. And once you open that, you are going to see this homepage. From here, you can select any of the product in order to create or save a location in Aliexpress website. Just simply tap to that product and then tap to buy now. And after you tap in buy now option, you will see this first section of add address. First of all, you need to select country or region. Then you need to select your contact information, which includes your first name, last name, country code and phone number. Simply enter those and tap to address, and then you need to enter your address. From here you can select your postcode, street, and then you can select your city and apartment and shoots and etc. And then in order to save it in your browser, just simply enable this toggle for set as default and then tap to save button. And after you do this much, your address will be added on Aliexpress website and you can use it as a default for every single order. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.